Hi everybody and welcome to another sweet cake video. In this video we're preparing the most and easy beautiful cake that you have ever done. The toppings that I'm using for this cake are some strawberries, mint and a few macarons. If you want to see how it's done, you can click on the top right of this video, but it's explained in Spanish language. Before starting, let's see the ingredients used for this cake. 115 grams of flour, 200 grams of icing sugar, 100 grams of ground almond and 215 grams of butter, 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, we sieve the flour and the almond. If you want to obtain a better result, it's better to buy ground or powdered almond. Second, we add a pinch of salt, set aside. In another bowl we sieve the icing sugar with the butter and then we mix it. When you obtain this texture, add the egg and the vanilla extract. We mix it just until all the ingredients are well integrated. I have changed the bowl in a biggest one to have more space. Now it's time to add the flour mixture that we made before with the butter mixture. Mix frequently and slowly while you are adding the flour mixture, not at once. You must knead the dough until all the ingredients are well combined. Then you have to use a rolling pin to roll out the dough until obtain 5 mm. Once you have done, save it in the freezer for 15 minutes. Unless you have a so big cookie cutter, use 2 plates to cut the dough. One plate has to be bigger than the other. Make this process twice. Then introduce it to the oven at 118 degrees for 15 minutes. To make the cream, you need 600 ml of heavy cream, 116 grams of icing sugar, 215 grams of cream cheese, 3 gelatin sheets, and 40 ml of water. First, you need to hydrate the gelatin sheets. Put 40 ml of water in a recipient and save it for later. Mix the cold heavy cream and the cheese cream in a bowl. Sieve the icing sugar and mix it at low speed 1 minute more. Dissolve the gelatin sheets in a glass with 4 or 5 spoons of hot water. Then incorporate 1 spoon of the cream to the glass and add this to the bowl. Whip the cream completely. Add the cream to a piping bag. I'm using a circle tip, and then it's time to decorate the cake. I'm doing this design, but you can decorate the way you like the most. And don't worry about the gelatin sheets, because they are not going to change the cream consistency. It's just to help the cream stay in the same place while the cake isn't in the fridge. Then add the strawberries. Also you can use some blueberries, raspberries or blackberries. Finally put macarons and mint. And that's the result. I hope you enjoyed this video.